Hello friends, it's Baron here. In this video, you're going to be learning how to read data from a file and how to write data to a file in Java. Firstly, we have to understand the basic concepts. Input stream and output stream are fundamental classes that provide a way to read bytes and write bytes in Java. I'll first create a text file using file output stream and write some data into it. First off, we're going to create a name for the file. String name equals example.text. Go down a line, create a try catch block, try curly brackets, catch curly brackets, and in here we're going to handle an IO exception, IO exception, E, and we're going to type e.print stack trace, and in our try part we're going to, I'm sorry, dude, I can't. Create an output stream object, output stream, O equals new file output stream, which will have our name in it. We're going to import both objects. And in here, we're going to create the data we want to write into our file. String data equals hello world. Now we have to convert this data into its byte form. Create a byte array, byte data equals data get bytes. Now we're going to write it into our file by typing O dot write. It takes our byte data in. We're going to plug that in. Now we're going to test if it works or not. Now we're in our project directory. You can see our example text file is created here. We're going to click on it. Now we're going to read data off the file we just created. First, we're going to copy our try and catch block, paste it a line below, and change output to input, input stream, and file input stream. Import both classes, and inside here we're going to create an integer named b, int b. We're not going to initialize it here. We're going to go down a line while double parentheses and curly brackets. Inside the inner parentheses, we're going to set b to I dot read. And now the condition check is not equal to -1, which is end of file. Now we're going to print each character. System out print R B. This should work. You can see it printed out hello world, which was expected.